So it's a Thermador fridge. The complaint was it was leaking from here to the floor. When we came in, we found a bottle of water, and this was frosted up. And after trying to defrost it, we were able to get this panel off, which took a while because there was a lot of ice, and you can see it expanded. All the panels, everything's crooked, cracked. The foam, the seal for the seal for the fridge, and the cover, it's all bent up. That's what happened. Too much ice, it just broke everything. The ice was the only thing that held it together, and when we started defrosting it, it just started falling apart. Potentially it all started because of the clogged drain. Yeah, we'll see. We'll test the parts, see what else needs to be done. That's it for now. Thermador fridge. Yeah, took us like an hour to defrost all that.